Good morning. Welcome to Education channel of IKM Moratic. Definition of Managerial Economics. Managerial economics is an evolutionary science. It is a journey with continuing understanding and application of economic knowledge, theories, models, concepts, and categories in dealing with the emerging business and managerial situations and problems in a dynamic economy by Dr. Mithani. Discuss the nature and scope of managerial economics. Managerial economics is a branch of economics that applies microeconomic analysis to decision method of business or other management units. It bridges the gap between economic theory and economic in practice. It draws heavily from quantitative techniques such as regression analysis, correlation, Lagrangian calculus. Managerial economics is a useful subject. It is the most significant of all social sciences. Its study is highly useful for analyzing, understanding the various economic problems. Its study brings utility to all sections of people. Nature of managerial economics. Managerial economics is a specialized discipline of management which studies or deals with application of economic theory and techniques to business management. Managerial economics is involved by establishing links on integration between economic theory and decision sciences. Managerial economics pertains to the overlapping area of economics along with the tools of decision sciences such as mathematical economics, satisfaction, econometrics as applied to business management problems. Managerial economics is confined only to a part of business management. It is primarily addressed to the analysis of economizing aspects of business problems and decision making by a business firm or an organization. It is not directly concerned with the managerial problems and actions involving implementation, control, conflicts, conflict resolutions, and other management strategies in day-to-day operations of the business. Managerial economics draws heavily on traditional economics as well as decision science in analyzing the business problems and the impact of alternative courses of action on the efficient allocation of resources or optimization. Scope of managerial economics. The scope of managerial economics can be understood by the following points. Managerial economics is multidisciplinary in character. It draws upon a greater variety of fields like economics, statistics, operational research, mathematics, etc. Besides, it also embodies technical areas of production and other functional areas like marketing, finance, cost accounting, etc. One major area of managerial economics deals with the market situations. It may be a pure monopoly situation or the ideal perfect market situation. As is common knowledge, no market can conform to canons of these extremes. It generally lies in between these extremities. Demand, its estimation or demand analysis, and relationship between demand and revenue and demand forecasting. It also deals with actual production frontiers in many and varied technical facts. This is bound to be techno-economic analysis involving not only the economist but different responsible technical personnel as well. The major area concerning managerial economics is the price itself. It is easy to say the price is always cost plus profit, but In reality, it is not that simple. Limits are set by many other extraneous factors, including government pricing, like control, rationing, excise, and other duties. Problems becomes more complex if the product is exposed to international competitions. A profit in the economic sense is a reward for